This is about bright moments, the strands that connect us. What does that really mean to us? It's about the storytelling part, the story of Paul Mitchell and John Paul, how they started this incredible company over 40 years ago. The sustainability, the pledge we make to the planet to make the world prettier and better all the way around, from beauty to the landscape, and about really the things that we do every single day to inspire hairdressers and customers alike to help them redo the type of hair that we do. We'll take you on a journey today about how to position it, how to market it, how to use digital, how to use social, how to get the word out there and take opportunity of the biggest season of the year, which is one of the things we look forward to the most as hairdressers. I can't wait to share this knowledge with you. So where do magic moments start? It starts with a brilliant display. Get inspired by Bridget Kirby's presentation. That's what I look at. She inspires me every single day. And I think you've got to take advantage of your facility. Look at other fine retail stores and what they do to compete against the high street. We're business people, not salon owners. We have to compete on that discretionary dollar. So it's one thing that we got to look at, whether you put it in your restroom, whether you have it on your color bar, your station, on your desk, and of course in the incredible take-home display. These are all opportunities that will take advantage of this great holiday season.
Looks so good. So having a captive audience at my chair is the best opportunity I could ask for as a hairdresser. Using my digital frame to give the message that I want my guests to receive is priceless. It's been a game changer in the salon. So I'm able to add the holiday message in there. I can add all of my new treatments that I offer to every guest, and it allows them to strike up the conversation, so I'm not doing all of the work. Game changer in the salon. I definitely recommend it to everyone. But some of the other ways that we like to make sure that our guests are engaged is we of course use social media networking. We do posts, we do stories, TikTok, YouTube. We use a lot of the collateral that John Paul Mitchell Systems has and offers already because it's branded and beautiful, and it helps me communicate an excellent message to all of the guests, and it's consistent. We also do some email marketing where we'll do quarterly e-blasts to let the guests know what's new, what's coming up, if we have any promos, or just overall new products that are coming out that we think they may enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us at a Robert Cromeans salon, celebrating bright moments and the strands that connect us all.
Celebrate every single day like it's a holiday, and make a big deal about December like you'd never have before, using all the tools we gave you here today. Thank you for joining my wife and I. We love you guys.